What's up, guys? We are here rolling with Star. Well, I would like to say Happy New Year's, even though if it's like after 31 days later. It is 2019. Woo. Sorry I haven't been posted up. I've been busy doing a lot of things, but this is the new year, so enough is enough, right? So if you guys are viewing this channel right now, make sure you subscribe. Hit that link. It's very hard for me to be in camera right now, because then I end up looking at myself, start to blush. Crazy. Then I get nervous, then I get shy. This is very hard, but I really want to do this. So comment below, let me know how I'm doing. Oh, since today is Thursday, I will go ahead and do a throwback Thursday. I will show you what I did for Christmas. Hope you guys like it. And recently, an incident just happened, and might as well show you a clip of that too. What's up, guys? We are here rolling with Star. It is 2:56. We got hit. Wow. Wow.
Are you filming it?
Yes, I have to.
Did you call them? Anybody call the cops? You know what I'm saying? She was swerving back and forth. She was like, don't be near her. And I go, I'm not. And then she hit the brakes and she made a left. Don't get them pissed. They'll come over here with us.
Don't worry, I'm okay. So the other person. So, yeah. So guys, hi, I'm Star. Today is Friday. So, anyways, I got this welcome to you Saliva Cake Connection. Wondering what's my ancestries? Would be cool. What you guys think? Comment below. See what's up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. So, we have a box. And we have to comes with a kit. If you guys done this, hit that like. So it comes with a bag where you could put your saliva kit. Okay. Here's the instructions. Fill up to one. Fill up. Okay, it's filled up. Now, it says close funnel lid. Now we have to go to the post office or something like that. Guess what? I just got an email that I got the welcome to you DNA to see what's my ancestry. So let's go ahead and check it out together. Last night, it snowed. Oh my god, it was so beautiful and exciting in Vegas. Who would have known? Oh my goodness!
Look at me, bitch.
But anyways, hit the like button. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Anyways, sorry that I haven't been posted up. It's been a minute, obviously. Weather, this, that. It's been crazy nuts. But I'll try to get good at this. Comment below. Let me know. Peace.